Hey guys, hope you're well. My name is Ivan. I run Odenix, an AI automation agency where I help businesses implement AI solutions. And today I'm going to show you how to use AI to write any piece of software that you think of. Back in the day, before AI got this good, if you wanted to have a piece of software designed, you had to pay someone who could code because you couldn't. And unfortunately, they looked like this and didn't shower. But luckily, that's no longer the case. Um, so what I've done is I've gone to ChatGPT. I've had the idea of a to-do list app, and so I've asked it to write a prompt for an AI software developer to create a simple to-do list app, and it's created me this. So if I copy that and I go to the AI developer here, Bolt, and paste that in, I am going to get rid of where it asks for what language or framework to use, and just let it use what it does use. And I will click this button for it to start. It will take a few minutes, but as you can see, it starts to write the code. No software developer can write code this fast. They generally just go on Reddit all day and watch anime. And yeah, this will take a few minutes. I'm being a bit mean to software developers, just to be clear. I am a software tester myself, so I think that allows me to make jokes at their expense. Probably not. But yeah, this will take a few minutes. And we're nearly there. The code's written. If we click to deploy now, this should take a minute or so. Then we will be able to run the app and see how it looks. Apologies if you're picking up noise from outside. There we are. If we click on this link here, as you can see, we now have a to-do list created. So we can think of a task, write an ad. We can use the calendar here to select when we want that done by, Monday. Click add, it will come up here, and then when it's completed, we can click the tick here. So yeah, it's obviously very basic at the moment. We're not really at a point where AI can create finished software, but we're definitely at a point where we can use AI to create a minimum viable product. So yeah, there you go. Thank you very much for watching.